Nevertheless, students are going to tuition. They are studying. They are spending lot of time there. Why it is happening? Why students are unable to speak in English language? Why students are unable to answer? Why students are unable to solve the question of math? If I
The
talk
government
about
school are available over there in our local area as Nagar Nigam, as number one. These kind of schools are known as government school or government school. And if I talk about there is many kinds of facilities available over there by the government, midday meal, many teachers, many kinds of books are also free over there. We
Government
can see
school,
that.
every student, doesn't matter he is a student, son of prime minister or something, but everyone has a equal right, equal treatment with any teacher and everyone. So according to me, the government school is better, and lots of things also happen in the government school, and government is doing a lots of work for student.
you are talking about government school. I am going to raise the question against primary schools.
Yes.
जैसा कि आपने इस थंबनेल पर देखा, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल वर्सेस प्राइवेट स्कूल. सो इन दिस क्लास दे ऑल हैव गैदर्ड टू डिस्कस अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर group discussion, government school versus private school. So how many of you have prepared yourself, guys? Raise your hand first. Okay, well, almost everybody has prepared. So let's get started without further ado. Okay, so first of all I would like to start from this girl, please. What would you like to say about government school or private school?
I would like to speak about private schools. So private schools are better than government school in every the facilities that are provided by private school, and in private school there are small classes. In small classes, that means that in a class there are only 15 to 20 students, and the teacher have more attention to that student, and they clear their doubts also. And in private school, in sports and in everything, the students go in a very high level, and in government school also, but in private school more than the government school.
Okay, thank you Alia. And from this side, would you like to add something? Yes, what's your name?
So my name is Ashad.
Asad. Okay.
So first of all, I would like to tell you about government school. Government school are school provided by the government, or they are free for everyone. We have seen that many kinds of government school are available over there in our local area as Nagar Nigam, as number one. These kind of schools are known as government school or government school. And if I talk about there is many kinds of facilities available over there by the government, midday meal, many teachers, many kinds of books are also free over there. We can see that the government is trying to provide many kinds of good facilities over there to teach the students and to rise the future of the India. We have seen that the student doesn't try. Actually, I have experience of many kinds of person I have met. I have seen that they always says that our government teachers do not teach, but actually it is wrong. I have seen that the government teacher tries to teach, but the students do not ask about the doubts, or do not try to study at home. We have seen that if we do not do self study, so we are nothing over there. And some people says that if private schools are good or government schools are good, so why they are taking coaching or tuitions? Because it is a help for every person. Every person do not have that much probability to study among.
Okay, so I have a question for you. What would you like to say about private schools?
Actually, private schools are good over there, but these are expensive. No, everyone cannot afford them. We have seen that private schools.
But they are providing quality of education as compared to government school.
Actually, my dear sir, they are providing quality of education as well as they are providing expensive fees.
Expensive fees, but they are life changing education providing right now. In my point of view, if I talk about government school of UP, Bihar, and such kind of states, so education quality is not good in my point of view.
Actually, sir,
if I talk about Delhi, so it is being better every day by day.
Actually, in my point of view, I have seen that because of the corruption, the UP or Bihar government school are not providing much facilities. If I talk about the public school or private school, these are also available in our local area. We have seen that it provides good education. Plus, it provides many kinds of facilities to keep the children safe over there. We have seen that in many kinds of schools there are AC available in every classroom, or many kinds of things are also available there. In the between, between of government and private school, there is a school known as central school. It
Okay.
also takes fees, but it is known as central school because it makes less. It have less fees. We have seen that. I also study in a central school. It provides many kinds of good facilities as it is English medium, and many kinds of things are also available over there. But
You're talking about fee hike, okay? Nevertheless, parents are ready to send their children to the private school, not in government school.
actually, I think, sir, everyone have different point of view. So some parents think that private school provides more education. Actually, it provides, but not more than. It is not a good margin over there, a large margin. We have seen that if the ratio we see, 3 lakh something are private schools and 6 lakh something are government school in our India. So actually, I think government school are also good, but it is just your choice what you are choosing.
Okay, so here, any of you would like to speak? Yes, Suraj.
As per my point of view, I'm completely agree with my friend. I also think that the government school is better than the private school because of he's providing, first of all, he's providing a free education for everyone, and second, that is he's not a partial and that kind of thing. There is no partiality and something. I seen there are lots of private school who's just reserved for 25% their seats for students, but they are doing a partiality with that student. They didn't providing their good teachers, and there only come some kind of trainee teachers only for teaching them, and lots of things and lots of partiality was happened with them. So this kind of things, when this kind of things happened with the student who just didn't give a fees in private school, he just using the protocol of government and just enroll in a private school but not giving a fees. That's so they not treat them the equal. But in if we are going about in a government school, every student, doesn't matter he is a student, son of prime minister or something, but everyone has a equal right, equal treatment with any teacher and everyone. So according to me, the government school is better, and lots of things also happen in the government school, and government is doing a lots of work for students.
You are talking about government school. I'm going to raise the question against primary schools.
Yes, sir.
In primary schools, teachers are teaching, but I don't know what they are teaching. Students are unable to read the stanza, read the paragraph of Hindi or English. So it is no use going to government school in primary school, like first standard to fifth standard.
Yes, sir.
They are unable to read. I have seen so many students, and I have heard so many complaints from the parent side. They say that ki my son, my daughter is unable to understand reading stanza or reading paragraph. They are unable to pronounce the word correctly. Okay, so what do you think about this particular concern which I have raised here?
I know this is a big major problem of our schools, but the problem was not they are not able to teach. The problem was that there was a lots of corruption, and that if a teacher wants to do their work properly, but the system was not able to, system was not doing them the good work in their proper manner.
In government schools, there is no smart board, there
Yeah.
is no good toilet facility, there is no good water facility. Students are fighting with each other, teachers are just using their mobile, and in some of the schools there are no cameras inside the school.
Excuse
in
me,
the
sir.
class as well.
Did you just visit a primary
I have
school?
no
right now?
right now if I talk about nearest school, in that school only it has 2 and 3 cameras. But what about classrooms? What about library rooms?
Sir, currently I visit a lots of government school, so I seen that there is lots of facilities and lots of things was made up. So I think that school was developed day by day, but if we are talking about the facilities, I know there was lots of schools was remaining who just get their facilities, but if we are give some time to them, they definitely increase their facilities. And
Okay, thank you,
that's
thank
all.
you, thank you, thank you. Also here from this side, yes,
I'm also
Madhuri.
yes sir, I'm also agree with them, because I'm also say that favor to government schools, because when you are some time ago you were saying that UP and Bihar government school are not good in that time, but I'm not agree with you, because I am also seen that UP school government UP government schools, they are better than previous years. And when we talk about our India, government schools are day by day developing stage, because when we talk about UP, Bihar, and every state, day by day, they schools are
Developing. Okay.
And you are saying that there is no any type of smart boards and toilet facilities. I also study. I also completed my study in government school, and I also study with smart boards in every week, Saturday and Friday. They teach their teachers are study हमें पढ़ाते थे. They taught them with tabs and क्या कहते हैं smart boards. When we talk about toilet facilities, day by day they are also good and better. When we talk about our teacher is not teach properly,
Okay.
they according to me they teach properly, because बस
Okay. Here from this side, what would you like to say?
So, I am in favor of 50-50 both. So, first I would like to tell about government school. In government schools, the teachers, some teachers are good and some teachers are not good. But in almost all government schools, teachers are very good, but some teachers are know about that their jobs are fixed, and they have also fixed salaries, and they always do not do their work with properly. And as we compare to the environment of government schools, it's very bad. And as you know that in some schools, there out of the schools, the fights are always happen. And as we know about the teachers and principal of that school, it's their fault, and it's a fault of the students, because they are going to school for study, not doing fights, and it's a fault of their parents. They are not giving the good sanskar,
Manners. They are not teaching them good manners.
good manners. And if I talk about private schools are good as
Guys,
compared
if
to
you want to
government
say
school.
something, then you have to raise your hand. Okay, then I will pass the mic. Okay. So any of you would like to say anything?
So if I talk about
Mhm.
private schools are better than government school. In private school, in my school, the teachers are very strict, and as we know, if in nowadays in midterm examination, our teachers check our paper with very strictly, because our principal says that भैया
Yes.
इनको अपनी सिली मिस्टेक्स का पता चलना चाहिए.
What?
सिली मिस्टेक्स का पता चलना चाहिए.
हाँ, they should get to know about their silly mistakes.
They should
Get to know
about
their silly
silly
mistakes.
mistakes. And in that time I am very free. I have get good marks, but when I see my exam papers, then I realize my silly mistakes. I only just doing silly mistakes, like do not writing period, exclamatory. That's why I list
Okay.
my
Okay, so here who would like to speak next? Raise your hand, please. Raise your hand. Who would like to speak first? Okay, so from this side. Okay, Ananya. Okay, Ananya.
And if my point of view, I'm not totally agree my friend Disha, because in government school, I am also study in government school.
Okay.
There are provided good facilities. There are projectors are available, and good मतलब साफ सफाई
हाँ, cleanliness.
cleanliness are available all time.
There is
and
cleanliness in
there
the
is
school.
there is cleanliness
In the school?
in school.
Mhm.
And if I talk about washrooms are very clean in on always. And all teachers are strict and focused, educated, and
TGT and PGT.
TGT and PGT, and all my periods attend, and pole science teachers and history and all our subject teachers are attend
All the classes
all the classes and teach
accordingly.
accordingly.
Okay, ठीक है, thank you. So raise your hand. Just okay. You want to say something? Please.
First of all, it doesn't matter. Student depend on study. A student haven't time and haven't mindset. And first of all, all points is say that toilet facilities, and nobody says something education. And this is government school. I favor in government school. As you know that government school education developed day by day. As you know that in private school better than government school better than private school. When talk about education system in government school is best, but some point something is that student not study at home. It doesn't matter student study at school and at home, and this is a very common thing in your mind. As you know that some people according that government school is not good, and so my commonly point is that student have a rights and student have a fundamental rights. And why book क्यों नहीं पढ़ पा रहा?
Why he is unable to study?
Why he unable to study?
Okay.
And as you know that student have a many times and he study at home, but he say that I haven't time and I can't study at home. He said that I can't study home and school. Where are you studying?
Bobby, I would like to ask you कि आपने ये पूछा कि बच्चे क्यों नहीं पढ़ पा रहे हैं, हर चीज़ सही है, ठीक है. एंड आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू दैट बच्चा स्कूल जा रहा है, ठीक है, चाहे वो गवर्नमेंट स्कूल जाए चाहे प्राइवेट स्कूल जाए. अब इतने अच्छे पढ़े लिखे टीचर्स होते हैं, दे आर वेल क्वालिफाइड फ्रॉम reputed universities. Some of them are PhD holders, some of them are very qualified with PGT, TGT, right? So students after coming from their schools, from government school or private schools, they are going to institute to learn according to the subjects. Tuition teachers are teaching. What about the school teachers? When they are well qualified, when they are having good experience of teaching, nevertheless the students are going to tuition, they are studying, they are spending lot of time there. Why it is happening? Why students are unable to speak in English language? Why students are unable to answer? Why students are unable to solve the question of math? If I talk about, okay, so who would like to answer of this question? Okay, two students are here. Whose mistake here, if I ask you?
Actually, my dear sir, you told that that many kinds of the teachers are well qualified and have degree or PGT or TGT selection. Actually, my dear sir, I would like to tell you that some of the people are, some of the students are introvert over there. They do not tell about what they are not learning. Actually, I have experience. I have seen many kinds of people, many kinds of students in my class as well. They do not try to answer the question. If they are not trying, so how will they learn? And if I talk about the if you are talking about why they are going to institute, actually, my dear sir, everyone wants everyone needs help in everything. Everyone is not able to study without any institute or any kind of tuition. Actually, it is just a way to help. Actually, it is a
Okay, Alia has a question for you.
So you are saying that some students are introvert in class. So why they are not introvert in tuitions?
Yeah. Why are they studying in fear? Why they are studying in fear?
Actually, my dear sir, everyone thinks that if I ask the question after this much study, so everyone will make a fun of me or make a joke of me. Actually, we have seen that many kind of students are also over there. Couch potato means alsi log. Actually, I think many kinds of people are there as well as couch potato who do not ask, and some of them are fearful of the fun or joke making. Actually, if you are talking about their
Alia wants to respond to you. Alia, what would you like to say?
Well, I would like to say that why don't they have that type of fear in tuitions?
actually, my dear.
Okay, excuse me, cameraman. She has an answer. Okay, Madhuri would like to answer of this question.
Because students are not introvert students are not fear about institute, because of they study in our local areas. They also know know very well their teachers and students. That's why they don't fear in institutes, and they clear their doubts easily.
Okay. Thank you, Madhuri. And here Suraj has a doubt or question.
I just want to say that first of all, because of there was a lots of student in school, so teacher is not giving the one-to-one interaction, one-to-one attention with every student. That's why the every student not clear their doubts with the school teacher. That's why they have a need to go tuition classes. In tuition classes, we have only 10 to 20 students, so the tuition teacher is attending their doubts and clear their doubts with gradually. And one more thing, the school teacher have a lots of responsibility and lots of work to does. That's why he is not able to take the classes in proper way and properly. That's why the students is not complete their syllabus and their doubts with school teacher, and the tuition teacher only have a one work to do is just a teaching. That's why he is doing this. That's why students going institutes to clear their doubts.
Okay. Thank you. And any of you would like to say anything? Yes. Okay. Asa.
I want to tell about government school. Government schools are good education and girls भैया लड़कियों को ज़्यादा सुविधाएं मिलती हैं.
Girls are given more facilities.
Girls are given more facilities like Ladli schemes
Okay.
and scholarship.
Okay.
And 6 to 8 they provide midday meal. And I think government schools are good because teachers are good educated and students. That's it.
Okay. Thank you very much, guys.